Welcome to Bartender Ranch. Today, we're going to be taking these ducks and relocating them to our house. Yeah, this should be fun. I will probably get bit. I think it's going to happen in that corner. It looks like at least. Alright, they have escaped to the yard. Maybe that corner's more promising. I'm gonna try for this corner because it's got a trash can. I'm gonna use that trash can to mine advantage. One duck down, one duck to go. You hurt, buddy? Nice easy capture. They're actually pretty nice ducks. Boom. Okay, here we are at the home ranch. We got the ducks here. Let's let them out. And they've made quite the mess in here. Boom. That's how it's done. Some happy ducks. We're heading to town. Got both passengers here, Gus and Hope. They're going to get their shots. We all made it to the vet clinic. Gus is super excited. Sit. 83.8.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. All
Sit.
right.
Hope sit. 76.4.
I'm going to get her shot.
You want to go on the right side again?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sit.
Yeah, it is kind of out on her skin. There we go.
Oh, yeah,
Awesome.
recorded. She does fine.
Yeah. That's the secret.
He did not come.
Hold on.
Whoa!
Whoa, there he went.
Hey!
Here he comes. There he is.
Yay! Here we go! Mom! I saw an Today, we're gonna watch an airplane get up in the sky and try to. Whoa! Welcome to Oklahoma. Hey, Dad! An airplane. Thank you.
Did you see him, buddy?
Yeah. Watch.
Okay, I'm watching. I'm watching. Where's he at?
I don't see him.
Is he gonna be over here? There he goes.
It just scared me.
Yeah, the bulls don't care. But the heifers are still running amok over them.
Dad, hold me up there.
No, it's not gonna help. You just look. It's the next day and we're going to the vet again. This little girl is going to get spayed, so who knows what she'll identify with afterwards. Got my big helper in the back there. And I'm heading to pick up her brother.
Where's
So
my
there's gonna
tablet?
be 2 puppies
Where's my tablet?
this size.
Hey,
Hey, I forgot your tablet, buddy.
please turn around again.
How about you play my phone? Because I don't want to turn around and get your tablet. Okay. Is that okay? If you play my phone?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Deal is struck.
Get that poker out.
Poker? What poker?
Get that camera back in the back.
Oh, back in the bag. Okay. 2 puppies on board. Off to the vet. Again. Twice in 2 days.